At Pressure Kleen, we are a group of honest, hard-working individuals who pride ourselves on being expert pressure cleaners with over 100 Google 5-star reviews. Our safe, high-pressure cleaning services are done by certified professionals with 20 years of experience. Each cleaning job is customized for the client's needs to ensure quality work and quick service. When it comes to exterior residential, storefronts, shops or commercial cleaning, we have you covered. Our cleaning services include high or low pressure cleaning, soft washing, and chemical cleaning such as driveway cleaning and pathway washing, roof washing and gutter cleaning, concrete and brick cleaning and washing, residential render cleaning, graffiti removal from homes or businesses, exterior stone, blue stone and tiles washing, paver and brick stain removal, mold, algae and fungus removal, solar panels, polycarbonate and fiberglass cleaning. Just choose the pressure cleaning services you need and let our team take care of the rest. Get it done once, get it done right. Call us now for a free quote at 029001133 or visit our website at pressurekleen.com.au. We look forward to hearing from you.